Are you looking for that perfect honey barbecue sauce recipe? Then look no further. We're going to be showing you step by step of how to make our honey barbecue recipe. Also, if you liked our original barbecue sauce, then I know that you will love this recipe. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to first take our ketchup, and this is the base to barbecue sauce. And we're going to put our ketchup in here, and you want to make sure that you have like a non-reactive pot and pan, because or stainless steel like what I'm using, because it will stain and you don't want your dishware and things to stain. Believe me, I've already done it with our spatulas and things and pans. It will give it a reddish hue, and you don't want that. Next, we're going to take our apple cider vinegar, pour that in there, and we're going to give that a mix. Next, we're going to place our water and mix that around. Next, we're going to place our honey, and we're going to take our Worcestershire sauce. We're going to put some of that in here as well. And we're going to give this a good mix in. Next, we're going to put our brown sugar, give that a good mix in. Next, we're going to add some liquid smoke to help give it a nice little smoky flavor to it. Give that a good mix in. Next, we're going to take a tablespoon of mustard. Next, we're going to put some ground black pepper in here. We're going to use some salt, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we're going to just give this a good mix in. Make sure you mix the mustard up really good in there, so it's not all clumpy. All right, and we're going to bring this over here to the stove. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to let this simmer for a good 25 to 30 minutes or until it thickens up. And you want to make sure that you have a lid to cover it, because if not, it'll splatter everywhere, things like that. So, and make sure that you stir it occasionally to prevent sticking. Okay, so after the barbecue sauce is done simmering, and you may sometimes, if you want it a little more thicker or anything, you might have to obviously simmer it for a little bit more longer than what I said, but it's the desired consistency that we like. And remember, when you place it in the fridge, it will thicken up a little bit more. But now we've let it cool for a good 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and place this in our mason jar. Ooh, I'm going to need 2 mason jars. This made overabundance. God is good. Okay, and it made basically a jar and a half is what we've gotten out of ours. And we're going to let this sit uncovered for about until the jar is no longer like too hot, and then we'll cover it up when you place it in the fridge. All right, and we got our cornbread muffins right here, our lovely honey barbecue sauce that we made up front with some nice grilled chicken. All right, if this video was all helpful to you, I ask that you give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Go ahead and comment down below. Let us know if you're going to try this recipe. And also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos and cornbread muffins recipe right here. And also don't forget to check out our original barbecue sauce recipe right here.